The boy MB in the place to be. I'm on top of a T-top. This how I looked before I started messing with it. A little hole right here. Put some sheet metal in there. See, this the part that hook on the little clamp piece, but I started on this side already. See the big difference in it? Look down here. As I go down, look how it turns. So I'm about to finish all this real quick and start adding that sheet metal to it. Got a leaf in there. Get that out of there. Let me get that out of there. But yeah, you see it right there? Grind it all down. So I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace and love. Oh, fresh sheet metal all the way across. All the way across. Like fresh T-tops now. Yeah, come on through this way. Still got the original holes for the screws to go in.